Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can add clickable link on Instagram bio. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated your Instagram application to the latest version. So then tap on the Instagram application, and after you open up your Instagram application, so then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. So as you tap on your profile icon on the other page, you will be directed to your profile page. You can see that I've already added a clickable link on my Instagram bio. In case you want to add a clickable link on your Instagram post, then you'll not be able to do that. Like for example, let's say that if I want to add a clickable link on this following post, so Instagram does not allow you to add a clickable link on your post, and it only allows you to add it on your bio. So in order to add a clickable link on your Instagram bio, all you have to do is tap on edit profile. So after that, you'll be able to edit your profile. So you can see that right in between you have an option called website, and here you can see that I've already added a clickable link. So in order to add a clickable link, all you have to do is you'll have to copy paste the link from some other application, or for example, let's say that you want to add a music to your Instagram bio. So all you have to do is you'll have to copy the link of the music, and right over here you'll have to paste it. So then you can even change the Instagram link according to your post or your bio, and after you're done pasting your link, all you have to do is tap on the tick icon in the top right corner of your screen, and after that you can see there is a clickable link. So in order to see whether it is clickable link or not, all you have to do is tap on the link. So you can see that the link was of a particular music. So that is how you can add clickable link on your Instagram bio. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.